Welcome everybody, Magnet Junkie here. If you clicked on this video, guess what? We're gonna be doing some magnet fishing today. That's kind of my thing. We found another little spot. We got a little bridge here. We have another one down the way. I don't believe I've been here before, but some of my places I'm forgetting at this point. Before we get into that, I want to give a big shout out to Phil. Thank you very much for helping me step up my setup. We got this big cart here now that's got two 5-gallon buckets on it, so I can keep the magnet in one side and all the goodies in the other. This sucker can pull up to 275 pounds. It's really great. It's gonna make my life a lot easier. So without further ado, let's get this GoPro smacked on. We're gonna start magnet fishing. Also guys, I did get I guess complaints or whatever, but it doesn't really matter to me. I appreciate it. A lot of people were saying they didn't like the angle on the video. So what I have in my hand right now is actually the new GoPro head mount. I'm gonna be using that today. I hope that everybody will be able to see a little bit better. I've tried to figure out the angles on it. Hopefully this will work out. Anybody that thinks the angle is better, worse, anything, please leave a comment down below. I'm trying to get this right. I want you guys to be able to enjoy the video instead of looking at my feet. So let's go get magnet fishing. Thanks guys. Got this little bridge we're gonna check out. It's an older one. See the little brick facade here? Well, it's actually brick, but whatever, we're gonna throw it around here. This magnet out there. What happened there? We hit something. What's that? There's the first find of the day. I don't even know what that is actually. Whoa. What is it? Looks like a really big, actually looks like an old window weight. Really? Yeah, what do you guys think? I'm only wearing one glove. My other gloves are on the way here. I don't know what that is. That's pretty cool, and it's pretty heavy too. I can see a little hole. Looks like an old window weight. Nice. Let's see. I was hitting on something else here. Okay, and we are. What's happening? Oh, how in the world did I just caught a cast net with this magnet. I caught it right on the magnet. Oh, thank you so much. I love getting these out of the water. Look at that thing. Man. What? All right, well, these aren't lead because they're sticking to me here. Woo! Look at that, guys. It's a cast net. All right. Well, let's get that out of there. As well, everybody, before I forget, if anybody would like a magnet, the links will be in the description down below, as well as at the very end of the video, so you can get your own magnet and get a little bit of a discount. Thanks, guys. As we moved over to the other side here, you can see we got a bunch of lily pads. Ow. Bunch of lily pads and stuff we're gonna have to be pulling through over here, but let's see if we can get some trash out of this water. We tried, guys, but there's too many rocks on the other side, too many lily pads here. I think we're gonna pack up, and if you can see right down there, there's our old friendly dumping spot. Kind of personal now. I know there's still stuff there, and I'm gonna clean it up. I'm not kidding you guys, it's a couple blocks from my elementary school. Back, if you've caught some of the last episodes, you know where I'm at. If not, everybody else, we got to clean this place up because it's nasty. I'll toss out from the bridge. Usually climb down around there, but I don't feel like doing it. Lazy. A couple little things on there. A piece of bike chain, another piece of metal. A couple bikes in here, I know that. Whoa, that almost hit that. Slam my magnet in the concrete. What in the world is that? All right. I think I just caught a pair of steel toe boots. Yeah, I did. That's a first. Oh, there's something else on it. Caught a pair of steel toe boots. Okay. It's weird. There we go. Are we still on something? We got something. What do we got? What is this? What is this contraption? All right, well, it's actually a couple things. We got part of a skateboard. I believe it's another skateboard truck or something there. And then, oh, got a good leader line here. That's actually usable. A good leader line. Part of a little skateboard or something. What is that? Come on out of there now. I feel you moving. See those bubbles. We got it. What do we got? What is it? No, 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 no. Come to me. Are you kidding me? Well, we might just have to get down there and go grab that one, guys. I can see what that is. Many times have I been here too. Come here. Where'd you go? Come here. Okay, well, that's not what I had. We'll get to this stuff in a second. Actually, look at that. Look at that. There's the bike pedal and there's the center spoke. It's not even what I was hooked on. Oh my gosh. I really want what I was hooked on though. I think it's right there. There it is. There. Come on, come on, come on. Nope, nope, nope. Come here. Well, there's no, oh man, that's a huge spinner jig. Look at that. I'll show you that in a second. I gotta get this thing. All right, we're gonna have to bend down to get it. Come on, baby. Come here. Come on. Come here. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. That's what I'm talking about right there. Just found a laptop computer. You know, that was stolen too. There it is. Inspiron 1545. Look at that. Battery exploded in there. Man. All right. That was good. You got part of a stolen computer. Look at that jig right there, man. That's amazing. That's gonna clean up fine. That's a, I think they call them a spoon jig. The treble hook's good on it. And we got, there's a bike pedals. And little spoke for your oh, you know what I'm trying to say, for your bicycle gear there. Goodness gracious. Hey guys, I also want to give a big shout out to Happy Place Camping. Man, I'm gonna link them in the description of this video. They've been following along with me. Look at all those bubbles we just hit. And I've been following. You want a good time, some good content, just some nice stuff, go check out Happy Place Camping. Man, look at all those bubbles. Whoa, what is that? A couple things on each side there. What in the world? There's I don't know, top with a spring in it. That's just an old can. Look at that clam though. Poor little buddy. I'll get you out of there, get you back in the water. How pretty that is. It's something else. It's like every throw, guys. What's this little deal? I don't know. Yep. I don't know. Maybe there's another old TV over there or something. Got something else on it. We're hitting all over whatever's down there. That chop can. Or whip it. Hey, no way. Oh, I only saw the fork, but bam. Get off there. That's another Swiss Army knife. Whoop. No, 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 don't fall. Jeez, I get excited. Look at that, guys. You actually can see that. There's the toothpick on it. Somebody was mentioning, this isn't a real Swiss Army knife, but that's actually a decent little knife. We'll see if that'll clean up. There's the corkscrew on it. Nice. You kidding me? How many skateboards are down here, man? There's somebody. Oh, there they went. Got a skateboard truck there. Man, a lot of skateboards down here. I've lost count at this point. I guess moved over to the other side. Let's see what we can find over here. Stay on it? Something stayed on it. What is that? Ooh, it went under the bridge. I didn't know what that was for a second. What is that? Must be some kind of old tool or something. I don't know what that is. Well, now I broke it. It was an old tool. It ain't no more. That's a capacitor. No. That's a lock. That's what all those pieces are. There's another, that's part of a padlock. Yeah. Something else. Yep. Okay, there's something wrapped up in a sock here. Not too sure if I want to find out what's in here, but we're gonna. I don't want to touch it too much. I don't know what it is. Alright, just seems to be some kind of old turn dial, old bolt to something. It's some old can full of water. Some other little, there's a big old nut to a bolt there. What's left of it. Well, sure glad I got that sucker because it filled up both sides of it. I snagged something on there. Couple things. There's another battery, an old washer. Oh, what's that? Oh, we got another lighter. Big old eye bolt there. Another lighter. Sweet. In the bucket. Oh, I knew I felt something hit it that time. Look at that. What was that? Oh, yep. Another one. There's the chain from somebody's bike. Man, I really felt that smack it. Yep. Stolen bike, stolen something. Cut that chain. In the bucket. All right, everybody, it's hot. I'm tired, but what another amazing day magnet fishing. If you're still here at this point, it's much appreciated for you tagging along. If you guys got any questions or comments, you can email me, that's down in the description, or just drop a comment down below. But either way, thanks for tagging along. Remember everybody, get up, get out, and go find yourself. Peace out, guys.